Good morning, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell for Friday, June 10th. And as you can see on my matrix here, I have been short. Just, again, two contracts at the end of yesterday, okay? Let me just show you this. The market really came down, okay? Really sold off last night. And this is in the June contract, but as you know, we have switched over to the September contract already. So let me just show you that. So that's important for you to know if you trade futures. See, ES stands for E-Minis, right? M is the contract month, right? M is June, H is March, U is September, and Z is December, right? So you should, yesterday was the first front month for the September contract, right? But this position was put on a little while ago, about a day ago, okay? So this, I really had a sense that this market would move a lot lower, and as you can see, it has. So I sold two, as you can see, -2, so I'm short two E-Minis, up $2,000. Now again, small, right? Trade 1 to 2 lots. You can trade with $5,000 easily, right? So you put on a 2 lot. Look at this. I'm going to close this out right now in front of you, right? So again, if you put this on with 5,000, heck, even 10,000. Let's just say, the rule of thumb I like to use is, because I'm pretty conservative, is one contract per $5,000, right? And if you want to get a little bit more conservative, one contract per $10,000 to even be more conservative, right? But obviously it all depends on your risk, right? If you're risking 3 points, you need to position size the correct way, all right? But easily to buy or sell two contracts for $10,000 in your account is really easy to do with really any broker. Even TradeStation will allow you to trade two contracts on a $5,000 account. So the point here is, even if you had $10,000 and you sold two and you close out $2,000, that's a great return, isn't it? That's a phenomenal return. So look at this. We've sold off. We're near the lows, 2,098.25, right? We're up. Well, the market's down 16 points from where it closed, right? So let's just go ahead and close this out. Okay, we're going to close this ES-M 16 position, right? ES for E-Minis, M for the June contract 2016, right? We're going to hit this.
Order filled.
There we go. So made $2,000 on that trade. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to buy this market. Market's going to open up very soon. Let's see, what time is it? It is 9:27. 9:27. So the market's going to open up in 3 minutes. Okay, but I'm going to take advantage of this huge down opening, down almost 16 points, right? But I think we're going to get a move up. How big? I don't know. So I'm going to do a small position here. I'm going to do one contract. And I'm going to buy it. Again, market's going to open up in about 2 minutes. So I'm expecting we will get some type of move up before we go down big. Okay, so let's just do this. We're at 98.75. Let's see if we can get filled at 98. And let's see what the low. No, this is the low of last night. Let's just back this up a little bit and show you. Okay, so I was short from way up here. Okay, let's see. And I do monitor these positions during the night. Okay, so I don't just go to sleep without a stop in place. If I'm short the market and I'm going to hold it overnight, I got my laptop and I'm kind of monitoring it, and I've got my stops in at night. Okay, so let's look to get long. Let's go 98.5 on one. See if we can get filled here. 98.5.
Order filled.
Okay, we're long at 98.5. Just one contract. Okay. And I'm going to pause the video. Again, the market's going to open now in about a minute and a half. And I'm going to try to take this up here. Let's see. All right. 02. And I'm looking for about a 4-point move to the upside, at least. But things may change. So I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to see what kind of movement we can get. And I will record this. I will be back shortly. All right, here we go. Market has just opened up. All right, just opened up. Let's see if we can get a move here. All right, so we'll see. We've only got one contract. So if I'm a little wrong on this at the beginning, no big deal. I will add to the position at a logical support level. Now we are at a logical support level. That's why I put the trade on. Okay. So let's just. All right. Just gonna watch it. Getting along right here. Had a nice short trade. Made 2,000. And just got one trade, one position here. At 98.5. It's at 98, 99.75. Again, let's take a look at logical resistance on the way back up. Measuring some fibs just to get a sense of where this could go. Now remember, the bias is down. We got slammed last night, right? Down 16 points, roughly equivalent to the Dow, about 120 points, right? Right off the gate, right off the bat here. I'll be back shortly. All right, I am back. It's been a while. Market did rally. I've just been patiently waiting for the market to move higher, but I'm getting impatient now. And unfortunately, when the market went a little against me, remember we bought this at 98.5. We moved down to 95.25. Okay, should have added on right in here as the market broke up through this little coiled formation down in here, and I didn't. I really should have. That was my game plan. The game plan was when we hit like between 95.5 to 96 to buy the last contract, and I wasn't able to do that. And so let's just see if the market can retest these highs of 2103. All right, we're 2102.5. I think this is a big level. If we cannot break through 2103 rather, and close above that level, I think we try to come back down. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to stick my sell stop at 2100.25. All right, 2100.25 would be right here. All right, below this little pivot low. So look at, we're moving up a bit. Okay, let's see if we can get a little bit more. Remember, the big trade we had was the $2,000 trade carried over from the day before. Sold off big time last night. That's a good thing. And we bought it just 3 minutes before the market opened today, looking for the market to move higher. Okay, now granted we rallied up a little bit, right? We actually rallied a little bit, and then we came down, we consolidated, and we've run up. Again, the big mistake was not buying it right down in here. All right, so the market has not been able to move higher here. We're coming down. It's at 2100.25, so pretty much almost a 2 point. If I get knocked out here, it'll be about 2 points, just under 2 points. Was really hoping for the market to move higher. Here we go. So we've got a protection here at 2100.25. I normally would be below the round number of 2100. I mean, the more zeros you have in front of it, the more psychological support or resistance. In this case, support, since we're trading above it. Wait, right, 2100, 2100.00. You got 4 zeros there. But in this case, I want to lock in something for my efforts. Again, the big mistake was not adding on to the position as my original plan had indicated down in here. But still early in the day. Here we go. So, all right. So, again, for the last 24 hours, up $2,087.50. So, I'm going to actually stop this video, and if I get something this afternoon, I will try to record another video, okay? So for those of you that want to learn how I do this on a daily basis, again, be sure to watch the videos that I've posted in the last week. And I am opening up the E-Mini Success Formula, and it will be closed. We're closing it down tomorrow night, Saturday the 11th at midnight. So hope to get involved. Love to talk to you, and have a great day. Bye for now, and a great week.